Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 71 Datsun 510. This casting is by Hotwheels, part of Silver Series, and is from Rally Racers set. If you don't know about Silver Series, it's basically slotted between mainline and premium. So it comes with better details compared to mainline, misses out on few details compared to a premium. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Datsun 510 out of its box. And if you don't know about Datsun, well, either you're too young or you never know about anything else. Yes, it doesn't exist anymore. And you can say it was a brand of Nissan, but it is a more cooler brand and nicer cars, fun cars, I guess. So 510 is one of those. So I'm gonna start from the front. In the front, you got some nice details. You can see detailed headlamp, detailed grille, and lower bumper again finished in black, which looks good. The yellow and blue combination also looks good. On the hood, you have number 71, this blue strip. Missile mirrors or windshield wiper, would have loved to have those. Now, on the driver's side, it again has those nice looking wheels, which look really good. You have this design, which I think is very classic. The checker pattern here, so with the yellow with the blue lines and number 71, the Datsun badge, it all looks really good. On the side, you can also see the turn indicators are detailed, front and back. Two-door, obviously you can see the interior from here, finished in black. This looks like a small vent in the C-pillar. Wheel arches are slightly flared, so you got wider wheels, I guess. Now coming to the back, again good details here. You got painted tail lamp, detailed bumper, again detail for the number plate lights, I guess. Again the blue stripe from the front continues on the trunk. A single exhaust. Good details in the back too. Passenger side looks almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, well, it's a nice looking casting. I like the paint, I like the paint combo, and I like the details on it. Anything else? I would have loved to have mirrors and windshield wiper, would have made it look so much better. So I know most of these Silver Series are based on older casting, and some of them tend to come with mirrors anyways. So can't complain much, but yeah, it looks nice. It's a good looking casting. And I think if you find one, you might like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.